Okay, welcome back, everybody. We are back at it again, looking for multi-tools and more ships. Yeah, I'm a greedy guy. What can I say? We are in another system, and I've already launched here. Went into the space station, and here we go. I already located the planet. I think it's behind here. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Let's head to it and see what we got. Actually, this is more fun than doing those other missions. A lot more fun because we're getting something in return. And I really need to upgrade that Sentinel ship. And there are buildings here. You know what? We're going to take 5 minutes to check out a building. Just for the heck of it. Or as an old buddy used to say, for shits and giggles. Which I still don't to this day understand that phrase. I am tired of taking this. Even though I should, I get ferrite dust out of it. Oh, I don't need any more relics. I just ended up putting all the relics in storage. Watch this be locked. Oh, it's not locked. Oh, wow. Hey, dude. What's up? Oh, wow. Huh. Unstable plasma. I want to say I needed that for something. I swear I did. I can't remember. What was this? I just went outside. Oh, it's a trading post. You guys sell blueprints. Do we need that? Probably not. What else you sell? Oh, anything good? Oh, semiconductors. No, I send out my expeditions. They keep bringing back tons of that stuff. Yeah, you ain't got nothing good. Yeah. Alright. Let's see if this is a decent planet for having goodies on it. And that would be the echolocator. Yes! You know, why is it there's always some kind of incoming storm as soon as we get here? I guess it wouldn't be fun if there wasn't. Okay, let's go up a little bit. Oh, are you in the water? I don't want to go for a swim. Okay, good. I don't have to go for a swim. Oh, yeah. Actually, you can't be in the water. Because you're that little Jawa village or whatever you want to classify this thing. All right, let's see if we get this one wrong. Oh, that's the rifle. Okay, we'll do this quick. Okay. Okay, that's 5, 9, 6. Okay. 5. 9. 6. Yay! Gmo did it first time around. Okay, go back in there, give us our location. And hopefully we can get another decent ship. And then we'll check out this new multi-tool. It's another rifle. Hopefully it's a better rifle than what I picked up before. If it is, it's going to suck because I repaired the other rifle. Because I was all excited that I found a really good rifle. I think that's what the other one was a B. It's a B worth $27 million. Oh good, the storm cleared. We will take it. Wow. $27 million. Ours is an A? One we have now. Oh, because it's been all upgraded, so it went to an A. I didn't think our original one was an A. But yeah, of course we're going to take it. Yes, yes, yes. We got a new multi-tool. Can't access that. Nope. Oh, that was one of them things. Okay, what do we got there? Oh, we got mold. Oh, that's one of those robot dudes. I don't mess with the robot dudes anymore. Nanites. That's nothing there. Okay, let's go check out our ship. Oh, get that one. More nanites. That's what's building up all my nanites. Oh, 17 minutes. Can we warp? Yep. I love this little speeder. I can't wait to build up one of these Sentinel ships. They're supposed to be a lot stronger. I need to build up that fighter and start taking out frigates. Alright, I didn't even peek to see what it was yet. It looks like another... Is that a shuttle? No. Weird looking, whatever it is. Salvaged L. It's a B. It's a B for a bummer. I was hoping for another fighter. Get some more glass out of it and more of this pungent. And we got to get some brains. Okay. I don't know why it keeps going to the starship. We got another brain. See, like I said, I could do this all day. This is so much fun. And we got to go that way. Oh, that looks like it's going to be a long way. Okay, you know what? There's this guy. Where's he at? All right, you know what? We'll go see you. And see, you guys keep giving me this mold stuff. And then you give me that goobly gook that doesn't make any sense. We got to feed you circuitry, which is the stuff that I spent a long time harvesting. And you don't make no sense. Oh, salvage site planet. Oh, that's the info I already got. No, that's not it. Where's our... How far? It's not telling me how far. Must be close. Okay, what is the word of the day today? The word of the day is hurry your butt up. I think a storm's coming in. Oh, by the time I'm done, I'm going to have all their words. Okay. Have another crazy brain. I know I do this real quick now. I've done it so many times. One harmonic brain. I wish I could stick all the brains in there and get it over with. So when I get to the ships, I can just get the ships. I'm almost tempted to keep this one since it's a B. Because if we're allowed to have 12 ships... Because this thing has got to be better than a couple of those other ships I have. I mean, those other two ships I have are A's that are sitting up at the freighter. But they're nowhere near as good as this thing. Come on, there you go. Harmonic brain to the rescue. Okay, compare and... Oh my god, this thing is worth 73 million as is? Wow. Yeah, we're going to claim you and keep you. You're worth more than a fighter was. Why are you worth 73 million? You're a little box. You are just a little box. Okay, let's take a look at you, see what you look like. Yeah, it's just a box. Very quick taking off box. But it's just a box. Oh, that's a gold nugget. That was a regular asteroid. All right, let's get some light on you so I can get a better look. Yeah, you're yellow too. Yeah, I am. Like I said, I'm going to definitely keep it. If it's worth 73 million, there's got to be some kind of reason for it. Hyperdrive range seems about normal. Maneuverability, shield strength is. Why is it worth 73 million though? It's got to be the technology it has. It's got rocket launchers, pilot interface, sentinel cannon. I don't see anything different from our last one. All right, space station. Bring it. Oh, bye-bye.
Warning, threat detected. Hostile ships approaching.
Nope, we're out of here. Oh, crap. You're gonna blow my new toy up. Let's see how this thing fights. Oh, this thing don't fight worth a darn. It's not too bad. Got one down. But we have nothing to redo our shields with. Luckily for them, I know how to fight. Trying to take on a little itty bitty shuttle. I think that's what this thing is. Good. Alright, let's get our butts over to the space station. Quit screwing around. Not bad. I guess it's a little bit tougher than I thought it was. Alright. I'm gonna run out of parking spots over at my frigate. I need another frigate. Oh, is that funky looking? Oh my god! It's a bug! Okay, I might name this thing Cockroach. No, beetle. It looks like a beetle. That's exactly what it looks like. It looks like a beetle. A beetle with 3 eyes. Holy cow. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go here. But I'm gonna probably keep going on jumping into different ones. Now I know, like I was saying before, um, I if I'm not playing games, I watch video of people playing games. There is a planet I can go to where I can get a S-class multi-tool and a fighter, really cool. I would rather do it on my own and search around. I think it's more fun that way. And I'm finding more interesting things like this one here. This is one interesting ship. This, I mean, look at it. It's more fun to go out searching for these than it is to zoom over, get yourself an S class. Yes, you get an S class. That is cool to have an S class. Well, actually, it's not an S class ship, it's an A. You have to spend the units or money, whatever it is, to get yourself up to S class. Like that A class I found, I can bump that up to an S class if I want. Well, actually, no, I can't because I don't think I have the money. 40 units, whatever it costs for it. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to, go ahead and subscribe. But definitely hit that bell icon so you know when I upload again. But this is Gmo. I'm signing off for now, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of No Man's Skies. Till then, enjoy your gaming, and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.